Now I find out the angle. How we find this angle? This is a one line and this is another line. So I want this angle with the protractor. How I find? This is a protractor. This is the baseline. This is the midpoint. This is called inner scale. This is called outer scale. So first of all we place this protractor on the intersection. So place this protractor. So midpoint coincide with the intersecting. This is the intersecting point or vertex. So this is the placement. So baseline must be coincide with one line. This is the 0 mark. Okay. 10, 20, 30, 40. And once see here 40. So 41, 42, 42, 43. Exactly it is a 43. So here 0 mark is there. 43 degrees. What is the angle here? 43.